Good morning, grade ones. Welcome back on this chilly Monday morning. And today it's already the 27th of July 2020. Okay, I hope that you had a wonderful weekend and that you are ready for this week's work. It's an important week, you will see just now. Okay, good. I have something that I please want to ask you. I want you to listen to the rules of the classroom just to make sure that everything is going fine. There are a few things that you should not do, please, and that's why we call it the classroom rules. I'm sure you know most of them. It's just revising it to make sure. Number one, keep your video camera off at all times. Children, this is for your own good. It's for your own safety. Okay? Number two, no interruption during a lesson. Only speak when your name has been called out. Okay? And when I unmute you, make sure there's no background noise. Number five, after the lesson, we will answer some questions. Okay, right. Now let's get on with the lesson. Ooh la la. We are going to look at some sounds. I'm sure you know them all. Right, now you can raise a hand. And what are we going to do here? Let's see. You look at the pictures. You tell me what it is. You say the word for the picture. And then you must tell which sound it starts with. Okay, Aliyah, you can do the first line, the whole first line, please. Okay, I'm unmuting you, Aliyah. Good morning. Good morning.
The first line is R for ring,
Wonderful.
R for rose,
Yes.
D for dress,
Yes, or you can say for skirt. Good. Next one.
then the next one is K for cat,
Well done. Thank you, Aliyah. That was good for a start on a Monday morning. Well done so far. Right. Abungiwe, you are going to do the next line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Apple,
Okay, it starts with a.
app,
Yeah, good. And the next one?
animals,
You can say F for animals. You can also say F for ark. Nee, it's Noah's ark. Good. Next one.
D for doctor,
Look at the picture. What do you see there, sweetie? Adds a for ambulance.
ambulance,
Yes, say that. A for ambulance.
F for ambulance,
Yes, now you've learned a new word. Okay, next one.
pin,
Yes, it's for spin. What is that? What is spinning? What do you call that thing? It's a toy. What do you call it? Eh?
A
It's a T for top.
top,
Yes. So today you have learned two things, two new words. T for top and A for ambulance. Good. Thank you very much, Ambugiwe. Let's see if there's someone else who's Michaela. Okay, now you, Michaela. Michaela? It's yes. The next line.
hat, cap, doll, nest.
Okay, I want the starting letter for each one, please.
P for pot,
Good.
P for pot,
Yeah, P for pot.
P for
K for cap.
cat.
Next one.
D for doll. N for nest.
Good for you. Thank you. Now Nathan. Next one. Nathan. Nathan.
Okay, mother start with
Okay.
hen of fish. Mother start with hen of fish.
Okay. For fish. For fish. Next one.
Fish for pig.
P for pig.
For foot.
Good.
N for net.
Thank you. Okay. Now you just stop there. Okay. The next one I want to ask is Bootle. Okay. Bootle. We just want to unmute Nathan again. Okay. Where's Nathan? Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Bootle.
I can't see the last picture.
I'll help you with that one. I will help you. Okay. What's the first one?
B for ball.
Okay, and you can, yeah, we can also say T for tub and B for Bob. Well done. Next one.
B for bed.
Yes, B for bed. Next one.
B for ball. That's never
The last one is something we work in the garden. It's a R for rake.
Sorry, teacher, we just can't see the picture.
Okay,
So it's sort of halfway
I'm sorry.
obscured, but it's maybe our screen. I just don't know how to read it better.
Okay, but it's a R for rake. It is a rake. Sorry.
Right. Ah, there we see it now. Thank you.
Okay, good. So, Bootle, what's the last one?
rake.
Okay, yes, we use a rake in the garden. Thank you. Well, let's see what's coming up now. Sight words. Oh, today we've got long words, but don't let they fool you. They're still easy. Ria, are you going to read it for us, please?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, my dear, start reading them.
Cutting,
Yes,
reading,
good.
dating,
Mm-hmm.
draw,
Drawing.
drawing,
Mm-hmm.
walking,
Yes.
garden,
Ah, I don't see that. It's counting.
counting,
Yes.
trapping, sleeping,
Yes, sleeping.
sitting,
I don't see sitting.
eating,
It's eating and the last one is running. Thank you. Naisha, you have a turn to read it, please. Take your turn.
running. Okay, I'll try because I'm not here. Running.
Ooh,
Right.
your sound is making an echo on my side. Do the first one again, please.
Cut.
Cutting.
Cut. Reading.
Mm-hmm. Next, that one is what? Next to reading. Oops. Okay. Painting.
Painting.
Okay, then that you say drawing, that's correct. And then Walking.
Walking.
You're on the right track by sounding it. That's right. You'll get there. And the next one?
Counting.
Good.
Sleeping.
Yes.
Eating.
Yep.
Running.
Good. Thank you. Now, Samara, the last one who get a turn to read the sight words.
Cutting,
Mm-hmm.
reading,
Good.
painting,
Yes.
drawing,
Yep.
walking,
Mm-hmm.
counting,
Mm-hmm.
sleeping,
Yes.
eating,
Good.
running.
Well done. Thank you. Right. Okay. Now, children, there's a picture. You're going to take this picture a good look. But today, listen what I ask you to do. You must make a sentence about what the children are doing. I don't want you to tell me what you see. You must tell me the verbs, what they are busy doing, the actions that's happening on the picture. All right. I'm going to Kunashe. You can tell us something. Kunashe, that's it. Are you there? Kunashe, we can't hear. Okay, then I'm gonna mute you again. Let's go up and we start from the top to Aliyah. Aliyah, you tell us. Make a sentence about what the children are doing.
Okay. The children, the girls are eating a grape and they talk.
Okay, they are eating a sandwich and talking. Good. Thank you. Let's give someone else a chance. Thank you, Aliyah. All right, Bootle, now your turn again.
Yes.
Okay, what are they doing?
I see a girl skipping.
A girl is skipping. Yes, that's an action. Can you see something else?
I can see a boy and a girl playing.
A boy and a girl playing. What do they do?
They are playing soccer.
Yes, they are kicking a ball. Thank you. Let's go and give someone else a chance now. Okay, Samara. Samara.
There is a boy which is washing his hands,
Yes.
and there is a flower, and there's some flower and some grasses growing, and I see and a school.
Yeah, but action words. So I know you can see the school, and I like it that you said a flower that is growing. That's an action. Okay, now let's see what we have here. Okay, let's read the sentences. Kunashe, would you like to read the sentences for us today? Be the first one to read the sentences. You can start reading, Kunashe. Is this the one we can't hear? I'm going to give a few seconds. Oh, Kunashe, your sound, we can't hear a thing. Okay, I'm going to mute you again. We get Abungiwe. All right. Abungiwe.
Yes, ma'am.
You can read the sentences. All right, it's yours to read.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see it? Start reading it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yesterday, Annie went to school with Bengi.
Bongi. Okay. Yesterday and walked to school with Bongi. Okay. Repeat that.
Yesterday, Annie went to school with Bongi.
Walk to school. No, it's not went, it's walk to school. Okay. Thank you. So now we are going up. Butle, your turn to read the next sentence. Butle.
Which sentence are we on? The second one.
Mm-hmm. Second one. You.
They are
They.
way of
It's just they. It's a word now. It's not are. They.
they jumping.
They
No.
played.
They played and
In.
they played in the
Yes, it's playground. They played in the playground. You can repeat that after me, please.
They play in the playground.
Good. Right. Wow. Let's see who's now. Naisha. Next one is yours, Naisha. Naisha, we are unmuting Naisha. Thank you. 3.
One question is, you said my name wrong.
Anasha. What's your name?
Nasha.
Nasha. Okay. Thank you for correcting me, Nasha. Right, Nasha?
Yes.
Read number 3.
Okay. Reading. Yeah.
Are you reading it, Nasha? Are you reading it? We are waiting.
I was just spelling quickly.
Okay, it starts with they. All the words mostly start with they.
Okay. They. Is this the screen is dark?
Jumped, yeah. They jumped.
They jumped on.
And skipped. Okay, children, I'm going to give Gabriel a chance and then I will read it because I see that everybody is finding a little bit of trouble in reading this. Nathan, I see you're unmuted now, so you can start the last sentence. Nathan?
Okay. They liked their lunch.
Okay, that's good. Now, listen to me. I'm going to repeat all of them from the top. Yesterday, Anne walked to school with Bongi. I'm repeating. Yesterday, Anne walked to school with Bongi. Number 2, they played in the playground. They played in the playground. Number 3, they jumped and skipped. Number 4, they washed their hands. They washed their hands. And the last one is they liked their lunch. Okay. Ria, would you like to try again?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Read them, please.
Yesterday,
And
walk to the school.
no, you must read yesterday and
Yes. Yesterday and walked to the school.
No, there's no the. It's just to school with bongi. Can you see? Yesterday and walked to school with bongi. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Lovey. Now let's say Gabriel. Try number 2. We are practicing our reading today. We are working hard.
They played in the playground.
Well done. Good. All right. It's gonna say. Let me see. Anyone else who want to try and read this? Bootle, would you like number 3? You can read, Bootle.
They jumped and skipped.
Good. That's it. We're getting there. All right. Samara, number 4. Samara?
Yes.
Okay, you can read.
They washed their hands.
Good. They washed their hands. And give us the last one as well, please.
They liked their lunch.
Yes, they liked their lunch. Good. Everybody's
Thank
well
you,
done.
ma'am.
Well done so far. Now, I'm gonna list all the doing words. You remember the verbs or the action words? I'm gonna list them. Okay, are you ready to see them? We are listing the verbs. Okay, let me just get your names again. Just watch what's happening. The first one was wash. Now I'm making it washing. That is a verb. It's an action. It's a doing word.
Okay, ma'am.
Picking. Skipping.
Oh, yes.
Eating.
Mm-hmm.
Sitting.
Mm-hmm.
Hopping.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All these are doing words or action words, or we call it verbs. Right. Now we are going to change the past tense into the present tense. So all these sentences, let me read it to you. Yesterday is that is what tells us in which tense it is. We call it time word. Yesterday and walk to school. Oh, I hear someone talking. Yeah, let me just find out. Okay, right. We start with yesterday and walked to school. That means it's the past tense because the word walked, the fact that there's an ed at the end, it makes it past tense. They played on the playground. They jumped and skipped. They washed their hands. They liked their lunch. Now, all these sentences are past tense. Now we are going, or you are going to give me the present tense, where we actually started by saying today or every day. Okay, so you're just going to give me the verb into the present tense. Who's ready to do first? Abungiwe. Can you do me the first one? Yesterday and walked to school. Just change. Yes. Yesterday. Change the verb to the present tense, please.
Yesterday and walked to school.
I don't want to hear the d. It's just walk. Walks. and walks to school. That if you change walked to the present tense, it becomes walks. Okay. All right.
Yes,
Give me
ma'am.
another one. Try another one quickly. Then number 2.
They played on the playground.
Okay. Now played is past tense. Give it to present tense. Make it present tense now. They
They played. They jumped and skipped.
No. I want you. They played on the playground. You must change played to present tense. How are you going to say that?
They played.
No. You must just say they play. Because if you change played into present tense, it becomes play again. The original word, play. Because play is for every day. And when you add an ed on, it makes it past tense. Okay. Thank you. Let's see if we can ask someone like Samara. Will you try number 3? They jumped and skipped. All you need to do is to make jumped and skipped everyday words to put them into the present tense.
They jumped and skipped.
Well done. Now everybody has got it. Now you've got it. Abungiwe. Right. The next one. They washed their hands. I want you to put wash into present tense.
Okay. They wash their hands.
Yes, that's correct. And now Ria, give me, they liked their lunch. Now you have to give me liked into present tense.
Yes, ma'am.
Put liked into present.
They like.
Yes.
Uh,
That's what I want to hear. Yes, that's what I want to hear. When we change it, I'm going to repeat. If you have to change yesterday, it will become either today or every day. Then you can say, today Anne walks to school. They play on the playground. They jump and skip. They wash their hands. They like their lunch. Good. That is how we change things from past tense back into present tense. Good. Now, what's happening? Oh, a nice fun worksheet. Here, we're just going to look at making the letter H. It's writing. Okay, I'm just going to show you one with my pen. Are you ready for that? Okay, let's hope I can write today. Okay, we just look where we start. We go straight. All right. Oh, no, straight. Teacher, straight, and then up and around for the letter H. Let me try another one, maybe on paper. Okay, one more. That's what you should try as well. We are writing the letter H. I'm writing a H. For what? What does that H represent in the picture? Butle? A H for what?
Excuse me?
What is that? A H for? What do you see the picture? H for? Horse. Yes, H for horse. Good. Now, that man also says hello. So H for hello. And that man says, how do you do? It's also H for how. How do you do? And that lady is saying hi. H for hi. And these two people who are shaking hands, can you see them? They say, how are you? So these are all her words. Samara, give me another her word for those two. What are they doing here? A her for what?
They are hugging.
Yes, they are her for hugging or a hug. Okay. Thank you, Samara. Now, Ria, give me another her word. What is this?
A hen.
For hen. Okay, thank you. Ria and Butle, The last picture, what do you see there? A H for what?
A hand.
A H for hand. Yeah, we are practicing H words today and even writing them. Okay, so when you're going to practice your handwriting today, we are practicing the letter H. Good. Now, I want you to read a nursery rhyme. Can you remember rhymes? A rhyme is something like Humpty Dumpty sat on a hole. That's a rhyme. And twinkle, twinkle, little star. Today, I chose a rhyme that might be a little bit new to you. So I'm going to read it. And if you are brave enough, you can raise your hand and try and read it as well. Okay, let's listen first. Once I saw a little bird came hop, hop, hop. And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Who would like to read it? So it's quite a difficult reading piece. Right, Samara? Are you going to try this rhyme, the nursery rhyme? Samara? You going to try? No? Okay, Bootley, would you like to read it? Haha, you are brave. Let's try. I'll help. Okay.
Once
Yes.
I saw a little bird
Came.
come hop, hop, hop. And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop?
So far, so good. Yes. Carry on.
Ma'am, we
Now you
can't
can't.
see the rest.
Oh, you can't see the rest. I forgot your screen doesn't show everything. Okay, then Samara, you can carry on. Would you like to carry on the last two lines? Can you see them, Samara? I was.
Once
I want you to start there where Bootley stopped. The last two lines. Can you see them?
I don't know which one.
Yeah, with my red dot. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay.
I can't see it.
Can you also not see it? Oh, I'm sorry. The picture was just too big. And I don't think I can shift it up a little bit. But trust me and just enjoy your rhyme. I'll read the whole one to everybody again. Once I saw a little bird came hop, hop, hop. And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. I just wanted to show you that there's a lot of rhymes and they are all fun to read. Okay. Now, children, here I want your mother or your father or your brother or sister that's older than you or who can do this to take a snapshot of this, please. I'm going to discuss. This is for Wednesday. That's your assessment. On Wednesday, I want you to do this. Number one, you are going to record yourself on your cell phone. I'm repeating, I want you to make a recording. You record a video of yourself. Oh, that's going to be nice and it's going to be fun. But what are you going to say on the video? This is what I want you to tell me. You have to talk about yourself. How old are you? When is your birthday? Where do you stay? What school are you in? What do you like and what you don't like? So your likes and dislikes, okay? But remember, when you are doing this assessment, I want you to take a string and hang it around your neck and make a name tag for yourself so that I can see who's speaking to me, and I want the correct spelling of your name. So you're going to write down your name and surname first, hang it around your neck, and then start your conversation, your oral, your speech to me. Then you're going to tell me your name, of course. You will say hello or good day. I want you to greet first and say, hello, I am. And then you tell your name and surname. And then you talk about yourself. How old are you? When is your birthday? Where do you stay? What school you in? And what do you like and dislike? And do you see the rubric? That's how I'm going to give you some marks on it. And there you can see what is going to earn marks for you. Okay, you can read that. But this is that you had to take a photo from your cell phone to do. And I want you to WhatsApp this for me. And here are my numbers. Okay, right, Samara, you can ask. I'm here. You can ask me a question and I will answer all the questions of those who have questions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how do I do this now? Because I don't have a phone. It's only my mother who has it.
Okay, and your mother is not at home now.
She is.
Then she just need to take a photo of this slide. And then you're going to practice it. So then you get yourself ready. Then mommy helps you to talk about yourself. But it must be in this order. How the information I want from you to tell me about is what I have here. Yes, I could hear your snapshot. Good. And then when you're ready, you are going to presenting yourself on video. And mommy is going to take the video. And then you're going to send it to my cell number. And I'm going to give you a mark for that. And I want this in. You can do it. I want it in by Thursday, say 7 o'clock on Thursday evening, not later. Okay, you can start working on this.
They
Right.
said, what do you do with the cell number?
It's here in yellow. 084 506 9634.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello?
This is Samara's mother.
Yes?
I just had her saying she doesn't have a phone, and I came into her room.
I could hear you when you took the photo of the instruction. I could hear that. Sure, that's okay. You understand. Does everybody understand what I want? I want a speech from
What is she supposed to do? What did you need a phone for?
No, you are going to take the information down so that you've got it. Can you see the information that you took a photo from? Then you are going to prepare. She's going to prepare herself for a speech.
Okay.
And then when she's ready, you are going to take a recording, a short video recording, and you are going to send me the video.
Okay.
And then I will use the rubric to give them marks. And as soon as I find it, I will send back the marks if she was going to get a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. Glad you've asked. Anyone else? Bootle, your hand is up. Would you like to ask a question? Bootle?
Thanks. I don't know what's up.
You know? I can't hear you.
I said no thanks because I don't know what's up. Yeah, but it only stays up for a long time.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Is any hands raised here? Is there anyone who still want to ask a question about the instruction? And don't forget, if you don't put your name on yourself, I cannot mark it because then I can't see, because I don't know. I want your names. You have to record your name as well, like hang it around your neck as a tag. All right. That will help me and make it easier for me. So, It seems to me everyone is clear about that. Okay. Then all I want to say to you is stay calm and stay safe. And with that, it's goodbye for today. And I hope you are all going to enjoy your preparation on your speeches. I cannot wait to see this. Right. Thank you very much. Well done for today. And here's my email address. Remember, you cannot email me the video. You can just WhatsApp it, please. Right. Good for now and good for today and goodbye.